Welcome. So this is my requirement form and I'll take you through the codes side by side. So the first requirement is upgraphics.jar properly added to project showing your project. Yes, I've added the upgraphics.jar file in my project. You can see. So yes, moving on to the next requirement. Project contains main class or Java sets up upgraphics correctly by extending upgraphics, or you've moved on and done this in graphicsystem.java and you've made an object of this in main class.java. So this in your project. So yes, let me minimize this first. In my graphics system class, I've extended the upgraphics, and in the main class.java I have created the instance of the graphics system class. So yes, correctly call the upgraphics method about method and the turtle animation is displayed. Show your code and then show it running. Okay, in my graphics system class, I've overridden the process command, and here is my about method. And when I type this about command into the text field, the turtle animation will be displayed. Let me show you by running the program. So yes, the turtle animation has been displayed. Main class.java has a main method which creates an object of graphics system.java, and then all further processing is done from this object. So all of this in your project. So in my main class, this is my main method, and in this method I've created an instance of the graphics system class to start the graphics system. So the about method is called. Yes, so the about method is called and the up animation appears when the user types about into the text field or clicks the OK button. Show in your code and show the turtle animation in response to typing about. So I just showed you this, but let me show you again. Here is my about method, and when I run the program, oops, when I run the program and type about command into the text field, it should display the turtle animation. There you go. Now moving on to the requirements second, here are all the commands. So first command is pen down command working. We'll see if it worked in a moment. Showing your code. Let me show you the pen down command in my code first. Here's my pen down command, and this is my pen down method. I've called the pen down method in my pen down command, and when the pen is down, it display the message pen is down. Um, um, Let me set the color first, right, and then pen down. You can see the pen is down. Let's move the turtle forward by 100. It should draw a straight right line. So yes, my pen down command is working. Forward command works. You can tick this if it works without or with a parameter. Respond to the user typing forward. Okay, let's see our forward command in the code. Yes, the forward command should work with or without parameter. I've set the default parameter to 90 distance in case the user doesn't type any parameter, so our program should run with or without parameter. Let's check it out. Yes, my turtle is moving forward without parameter also, that is with the default parameter value, that is 90. So let's reset the turtle back to its original position and move forward with parameter distance of 80. Yes, it's working. A forward command is working both with or without the parameter. Forward command works with a parameter and can be move the turtle by the amount type, show in your code, and then show the turtle moving by forward 100. Okay, and let's reset the turtle to its original position and let's move forward. This time let's set the color to red. Pen down. Let's move forward by 100 to draw a straight red line. Yes, my forward command is working. Similarly with the backward command works, you can take this if this works without or with a parameter. Show your code and then show the turtle moving in response to the user typing backward. The turtle must be pointing in the same direction it was before the command was issued at the end. Again, tick and move to the next question if you can input a parameter. Let's see our backward command code first. Yeah, so if we type our backward command without any parameter, it should move backwards with our default parameter, that is 90. So let's check it out, and here is my turn right method. I've called the turn right method with 180 degrees so that the turtle will point in the same direction it was before the command was issued. At the end, and let's check it out if it works with or without parameter. um, First let's check it out without the parameter. Yes, it's still moving backwards with the default parameter value. And let's reset the turtle to its original position now and try it with the parameter this time. Backward 80. Yes, my backward command is working both with or without the parameter. Backward and my turtle was pointing in the same direction it was before the command was issued. So yes, backward command works with a parameter and can move the turtle by the amount typed. Show in your code and show turtle by moving typing backward 100. Your turtle should now be where it started. Um okay, backward 100. Let's set the pen color to blue. Pen down. Backward 100. Yes, my backward command is properly working. Turn left command works. You can take this if it works without or with a parameter. Show your code. You can move to the next question if you can input a parameter. So this is my turn left command. This is my turn left command, and if we do not pass any parameter, it should turn left with the default parameter value, that is 90 degrees. So let's check it out if it works with or without the parameter. Let's check without the parameter first. Yes, my turn left command is working just fine. The turtle just turned towards right by 90 degrees. So yes, let's try it with the parameter. Let's reset the turtle to its original position first and turn left by 150 degrees. Yes, my turn left command is working. Turn left command works with a parameter and can rotate the turtle by the amount type. Show in your code, then show turtle by moving turn left 90 and then forward 100. Okay, let's reset this to its original position. Turn left 90 and then forward 100. Yes, it's working. Moving on to the turn right command. You can take this if it works without or with a parameter. Show your code. Tick and move to the next question if you can input a parameter. So this is my turn right command code. So my turn right command should work just fine even without the parameter, even with the missing parameter, because I've set the default parameter to 90 degrees. So let's check it out in the program. let's try it without the parameter first. Yes, it still moves, turns towards right with the default parameter degree 90. And let's reset the turtle now. Turn right with the parameter. Yes, it's working. Turn right command works. Yes, turn right command works with the parameter and can rotate the turtle by the attention. Turn right, then forward 100. Alright, let's reset the turtle. Turn right 90 and then forward 100. Yes, it's working just fine. Moving on to the pin up command, working type pin up and then turn 90 and forward. If all is working with parameters, you should see an ant shape with the turtle on the bottom left and pointing left. Okay, this is my pin up command. Wait, where's my pin up? Yeah, so I've called the pin up method and it'll display the message pin is up when I write pin up command into the text field. So pin up, turn right 90, forward 100. Yes, so the turtle is pointing towards left. At least 4 color commands such as red command working, show it working by typing pin down and then red and then forward 100. The turtle should move further left and draw a red line. Show all 4 of your colors. So all 4 of your colors show in your code. So I'll show you my color commands in the code. So these are my 4 color commands: blue, green, red and white. I've set the pen colors to the specific colors. Let's try it out in the program. Pen down, red. Let's move the turtle forward by 100. Yes, my red color command is working. Now let's set the color to blue and turn right by 90 and then move forward. My blue color command is also working just fine. Now let's set the pen color to white and then move forward by 100. White color command is also working just fine. Now let's check our green color command and then move forward by 100. Yes, my all 4 color commands are working. So clear command working, showing your code and then show it clearing the display. The turtle should be on the far left of a clear display. Alright, so this is my clear command in code, clear method, and now let's clear this square using the clear command. No, I do not want to save the image right now. Yes, the square has been cleared. Now let's reset the turtle to its original position. Reset command working, type right and then forward 100. So a line is drawn, then type reset. The turtle should return to the center and point down, showing your code. So where is my reset command? Yeah, so this is my reset command. I've called the reset method. Let's try it out in the program. Let's turn the turtle towards right. Color, let's set the color to red. Forward 100. And forward 100. So if I type reset in the text field, the turtle returned to its original position. So yes, my reset command is working. Moving on to the requirement third, validating commands. Reports invalid commands, type xxx and it should report that it is an invalid command. Show in your code and show it detecting an invalid command. So in default case, detects all the invalid commands. It'll display a message dialog box saying invalid command. Let's check it out. Yes, my invalid command, yes, it is working. Detects valid command with missing parameter, type forward with no parameter. It should report that there is a missing parameter. Show in your code and show it detecting a missing parameter. Let's try it out with the forward command. So yeah, so if I don't type any parameter with the command, it will display this message missing parameters. So moving forward with the default parameter that is 90, it still moves forward, but it can detect that the parameter is missing. um Forward, yes, so missing parameter. So moving forward with default parameter that is 90, so it is working. Detects non-numeric parameters, type forward xxx with a non-numeric parameter. It should report the missing parameter to the user. Show in your code and show in your code how it handles this. So I've written a method that mm, that checks if the given string represents a numeric value. So this is my method, and in my forward command here, it'll catch the number format exception saying invalid parameter for backward command, data should be numeric. Let's try it out in the program itself. Forward xxx. Yeah, so invalid parameter for forward command, data should be numeric. Yes. Bounce parameter, for example, you could show that you can't move the turtle off the screen or make it warp onto the other side, and or show you can pass negative numbers or excessively large numbers. Show in your code and show your program reporting this to the user. Alright, so in my code, my backward command, whenever the distance is less than 0 or less distance is greater than 1000, it'll display a message dialog box saying your value is not sensible, max value is equals to 1000. Similarly with the turn right and turn left command, when the degrees is less than 0 or degrees is greater than 360, it'll display a message dialog box saying your value is not sensible, maximum value is equals to 360 degrees. So this is how I bounded my parameters. Let's check it out in the program itself. um so whenever I try to turn my turtle towards right with a degree more than greater than 360, it should display this message box, your value is not sensible. Again, let's try it with the forward command. With the distance more than 1000, yeah, so your value is not sensible, max value is 1000. So this is working properly. Moving on to the requirement for saving and loading. Save command works to save an image. Draw something with the commands. Show in your code, draw something and save it. Open up the image in a paint package. Let me show you my save method first. So this saves the current image to a file named savedimage.png. Um, let's and this is my save command. I've called the save image here. Let's draw something and then save. Try to save the image. Um, Set the color to red. Pen down. Forward 150. Let's save this image now. Save. Image saved successfully. Let's check it out in the directory if our image has been saved or not. Yes, it's the same image I just drew. So yes, it's working. Save command is working properly. Wait. Yes, this is the same image. So load command works, clear the screen and then open up your image on the turtle display, show in your code, draw something and save it, clear the screen and then open up your image on the turtle display. So I'll show you my codes first. So this method loads the image from the file saved image.png and displays it on the graphics. So let me load this image which I just saved here. Let's clear this first. Right now we set the turtle to its original position and type load. Yes, the same image I just saved has been displayed and loaded successfully. So this command is also working. Moving on to the next requirement, saves all commands previously typed as a text file, showing your code. Draw something and save the commands. Show the commands in a text editor. So this is the method. This method saves my command history to a text file named history.txt. Wait, there's a typo here. History.txt. And if any error occurs, it will display this message saying error saving command history. Let's write some commands first and then try to save it and we'll see it in the file. Let's set the color to white, pen down, and move the turtle backwards by 100 distance. Now let's save the commands I just typed. Yes, command history saved successfully. We all the commands are saved in this list I've created, and then let's check it out. Let's check all of our commands we just typed in the file. So yes, these were the commands I just typed and it's working. This is the commands. These are the commands I just typed. So yeah, it's working just fine. Moving on. Loads a text file of commands and executes them. Use the commands saved in the previous section, show in your code. Draw something and save the commands. Clear the image. Run the saved commands to show the image is recreated from the commands. The commands should be displayed. Okay. So this is the code for loading commands. Yeah, so this loads the command history from a text file named history.txt. Um, So let's try to load the commands. First, let's clear this and reset the turtle to its original position. If I type load commands, it should the turtle should display all the commands I previously typed. So let's check it out. Yes, the command has been loaded successfully, so it's working just fine. Warning is displayed somewhere console etc dialog box if the current image is not saved and the display is not affected until the user answers. Show in your code, draw something and then try and clear to show the warning. Um okay, so this boolean is modified, is to track if the image has been modified. So let's try here any command without saving it first, and then if I save it without if I clear it without saving, it should display a message box saying your image is not saved. So let's check it out. Pen down, red, forward, 100. And if I try to clear it without saving first, yes, the unsaved changes box. The current image is not saved. Do you want to save it before clearing? Yeah, so it's working just fine. It's the same requirement. One. So requirement 5 is inherit. Let me show you the code. Override the about method so that it still does the same dance but appends a message that contains your name. Show in your code. So I've overridden the about method here. This is my about method. Yeah, so super dot about calls the same OP dance, and then it'll append my name. It'll draw my name. The turtle draws my name. So this is the code for my name, and Shreya, my name is displayed if the turtle draws my name successfully. And this message dialog box is also displayed. Let's check it out in the program. Um, Override code. It should also display my name as well. So yes, it's working just fine. Moving on to the next requirement. Implement a square length command. Turtle should wander around the edge of the square and return to its original position. Show it working. Show in your code how you did this. So I'll show you my square method first. This method should draw a square with the specified side length. Um, Here is my square command. So there must be a side length parameter. Parameter must be a number. Parameter should be positive, and it'll display this message: square has been drawn successfully. Um, let's set the color to blue. Pen down. square 100. Yes, my square command is working just fine. So moving on to the next requirement, a pen red green blue command that takes three parameters, one for red, one for green, and one for blue to make an RGB color. This should be subject to full error checking, but it is enough to report only that the parameters are invalid, not necessarily which parameter. Show the new pen command working here. So I'll take you through my pen method first. Um, so this is my pen method. It takes three parameters: red, green, and blue color values from 0 to 255. Each value should be between 0 and 255. So I've called this method over here. Um, this is my pen command. Parameters, there must be three parameters for red, green, and blue, and parameters must be positive, parameter must be numeric. Let's check it out in the program. Let's set the color to red using three values: pen down, forward 100. Yes, so my pen command is working. Moving on to the next command, that is pen width command, that alters the pen width for all further drawing operations. Showing your code, show the new command working. Let me show you the pen width method first. This is my pen width method. It takes one parameter width, and I've called this method over here in my command case. So yeah, parameters, there must be one parameter. It should be numeric. Parameter must be positive. Let's check it out. Let's set the color to green first, and then pen width to the width of 10. Pen down, forward 50. So yes, my pen width command is working properly. A triangle size command that draws an equilateral triangle. Show in your code, show the new triangle command working. You don't have to have the turtle move over the triangle. That would be worth additional marks below. So this is my triangle method. For equilateral triangle, this method draws the equilateral triangle with the specified side length. Here is my command for the triangle. Yes, this is the case for the equilateral triangle. There must be one side length, parameter must be number, parameter must be positive. Let's check it out. Pen down, color set to red, and then triangle with side length of 100. Yes, so our equilateral triangle has been drawn successfully, so it's working. Moving on to the last requirement, a further triangle command which specified three sides that draws any triangle. Let's look at polygons. Okay, so this time triangle with three side lengths, which takes three parameters. Let me show you in the code first. three different side lengths. So yeah, this method draws the triangle with specified side lengths, length 1, length 2, length 3. Um, Here is my command for this. This is there must be three parameters. Parameter must be numbers, positive. Let's check it out in the program itself. Sorry. Oh wait, pin down. Let's set the color to blue. This time I can pass three parameters with different side lengths: 75, 70, 100, 50. Yes, so our triangle has been drawn successfully, so this command is also working. And just like that, we've come to the end of our requirements. Nothing. I've shown this form in the demo. I'll put my name. I need to end the video for now. Thank you for watching.